Building embedded Android products requires both capable hardware and a development platform designed for embedded systems. That's where Kynetics and Amobile come together, combining the Amobile SBC MB 721, powered by the MediaTek Genio 720 system-on-chip, with the embedded Android developer toolkit. The hardware foundation of the platform is the Amobile SBC MB 721 evaluation kit, a high-performance single-board computer powered by the MediaTek Genio 720 system-on-chip. Designed for AIoT, edge AI, and industrial computing applications, it combines an octa-core processor with a dedicated AI accelerator delivering up to 9 TOPS, while supporting Android 15, Yocto 5.0, rich connectivity, and flexible expansion interfaces. Together, these capabilities provide a scalable foundation for developing next-generation embedded Android and edge AI applications. Kynetics enhances this hardware platform with the embedded Android developer toolkit. The toolkit combines 3 core components: a development-ready embedded Android operating system, an embedded SDK that extends the standard Android SDK with direct access to hardware interfaces from familiar Android development environments, and Update Factory for over-the-air updates, device management, rollout control, and remote deployment automation. The first component is the embedded Android operating system. The operating system includes a guided installer designed to make setup fast, reliable, and straightforward. During installation, the installer automatically flashes and verifies each software component, ensuring the platform is correctly configured and ready for use. Once installation is complete, the Kynetics Embedded Android Launcher provides immediate access to system tools, sample applications, and configuration utilities. Among them, the built-in hardware testing applications allow developers to quickly validate hardware interfaces, input and output controls, camera functionality, and connectivity, confirming that the board, the operating system, and connected hardware are working together seamlessly. After the operating system section, we move to the embedded SDK. The embedded SDK extends the standard Android SDK with access to hardware interfaces that are normally not available through the default Android framework. To see how the embedded Android SDK works, let's explore 2 common hardware interfaces, GPIO and RS-232. Using the SDK, Android applications can interact directly with physical hardware from familiar Android development tools. In the GPIO example, the application can read and control digital signals, allowing Android software to communicate with external circuits through the board's hardware interfaces. In the RS-232 example, the application can exchange serial data with an external device, enabling communication with industrial equipment, sensors, controllers, or other embedded systems. The final component is Update Factory. Update Factory enables secure over-the-air updates, device management, and remote deployment through a single web interface. Here we demonstrate some common device update and management workflows and remote device troubleshooting. First, an operating system update, where a new Android system image is securely delivered to the target device over the air. Once the update is assigned and deployed, the device downloads, installs, and applies the new operating system, ensuring it is running the latest software version. Next, an application deployment, allowing Android applications to be remotely installed or updated on the device. The application is securely delivered, installed, and made available to users, simplifying software maintenance across deployed devices. The third workflow demonstrates a device configuration update, or DCU, which allows device settings to be managed remotely. In this demonstration, we remotely disable Bluetooth on the target device, showing how configuration changes can be applied without modifying the operating system or installed applications. Once the update is applied, Bluetooth is automatically disabled on the device. Finally, Update Factory also enables secure remote debugging, allowing product teams to troubleshoot deployed devices in real time. Engineers can remotely view and interact with the device, collect live Android logs, inspect system properties and device configuration, analyze system behavior, and generate comprehensive diagnostic reports, all without physically accessing the hardware. Together, the Amobile SBC MB 721 and the Kynetics Embedded Android Developer Toolkit enable the creation of embedded Android devices for industrial automation, healthcare, edge AI, and many other embedded applications, helping teams move faster from prototype to production. Contact us to learn more about our embedded Android solutions and request an evaluation of the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit.